10 benefits to drinking warm water with lemon every morning. The best way to stay hydrated is to drink more water. Some people like us did not like the plain tap water. Some brands have a better taste, but adding few slices of lemon changing the game. The lemon flavor is excellent and fresh, which making you drink more water. Water is an essential factor in our daily lives since it helps keep us hydrated and awakens the metabolism. However, drinking it while warm has more benefits. Lemons are citruses that contain a significant amount of vitamin C, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and B complex. Consuming a glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice in the morning is very beneficial. Drinking it before having breakfast ensures it helps fully. Benefits include: 1. It is boosting the immune system. Lemons contain vitamin C, which is necessary for all body functions, such as increasing the absorption of iron in your body and stimulating healthy hair and skin. 2. Digestion. Lemon water helps you to clear your body from toxins and stimulate healthy digestion. 3. Reducing inflammation. Adding more vitamin C to your daily routine will help your body produce more collagen and make it easier to repair the damaged tissue. 4. Slows down the aging process. Lemon water keeping the skin fresh and in good condition without acne and wrinkles. When you combine lemon juice with other ingredients and apply it to the skin or hair, it can treat skin problems, acne, improve the tan and make the hair glossy. 5. Weight loss. Lemon water can increase the feeling of fullness and boost your metabolism, helping you reduce your weight. 6. Freshens your breath. The excellent source of potassium in the lemons freshens your breath. Lemon juice is hard to tooth enamel. We recommend not drinking it without water and not brushing your teeth after consuming lemons. 7. Lemon water can fight viral infections and gives the body an energy boost. 8. Warm lemon water may help with improving your memory and mood. 9. Lemon water helps reduce the level of joint and muscle pain. 10. Warm water with lemon may help maintain the healthy pH balance of your body. Help your friends to start their day full of energy and health. Share the video with someone who will benefit. Making small changes in your daily meal plan can improve your health and body functions.